Here, in the last class, what we have done CAD tools in the design process of product cycle, a scope of a CAD. CAD tools means a CAD as a software in the design process of product cycle. Correct? That is what we have learned in last class. So what we are going to do today now, actually, now software modules. Now these are the tools: operating system module, geometric module, application module, programming module, communication module. These are the tools in a CAD software. Now we are entering in the CAD software. Hello, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Till now, what we have done, we were talking about CAD as a software, now how it is being used in different applications. Okay, now we are entering in the CAD software now. Are you getting me? So in CAD software, how many modules are there? This is operating system module, geometric module, application module, programming module, and communication module. So generally you'll find that our CAD softwares, maybe any CAD software, these CAD softwares are generally categorized internally almost by 5 types of operating systems, or 5 types of, not operating systems, 5 types of modules, in fact, not operating system. Operating system is one type of module. So 5 different modules would be there almost in all the general, all modeling software. I am talking about when I now in this particular class, when I will be talking about the software. Software means it will be a geometric modeling software or for modeling software. So I will be using the word geometric modeling or sometimes only modeling. It means a geometric modeling. That means we are going to manufacture or create a model in the software. Okay, so don't get confused. Sometimes different words are there, parallel words are there being used now and then. Then again, we'll be looking at as a computer-aided design, CAD. What are its features, requirements, and applications? What are the applications? Already almost we have done it, but what are its features? So unless we go through the modules, we will not able to know what is software means. So this is about your class objectives and outcomes. So today you will be able to understand role of different modules and features in the CAD. So what are the different modules and what are the features of the CAD? So at the end of this class, you will be able to understand a role of different modules and what are the features in the CAD. Okay. So first one is yeah. Okay, fine. Now is software modules, operating system module. Now what is the operating system module? What is the operating system? Okay. What is the operating system of your mobile phones? Anybody tell me?
Android.
Android is the
Right.
operating
iOS.
system. Okay, whatsoever. That means you people know what is operating system. For PCs, we are using, almost everybody is using. In our country, to be
Microsoft.
no Windows. Okay, Microsoft.
Windows.
Wow, yes, Microsoft Windows.
Windows.
We are using generally. I am talking now. I cannot claim that everybody using the same, but maximum time, many maximum people would be using Windows as an operating system. Okay, so it may vary for some applications or some users, but we will do it. Okay, that means you know what is the operating system. That was actually I am expecting from you people. Now, what are the operating systems? What are the platforms on which our CAD/CAM software will be running? So it is operating system. You'll find actually we are not using Unix, Linux, and Macintosh. So all these are Unix. Maybe now in some industries they may be using Linux also or Unix also. But the majority of the we people we are using Windows, not the others ones. But our CAD/CAM softwares, which wherever the softwares are there, they can run on all the
Windows.
4 major platforms. Maybe it will be Unix, Linux, Windows, or Macintosh. or we can generally call it the Mac only, not Macintosh. Short form we call it the Mac. So all these four are the different operating systems or platforms, I will say, on which CAD/CAM softwares are being used or run. Okay. Now this operating system module in the CAD/CAM software. Okay. Now operating system module of a CAD/CAM software. Now don't get mixed with this one. What I will say, don't get mixed with this part. Platform. This is a platform. Which is the platform? These are four platforms: Unix, Linux, Windows, and Macintosh. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That's fine. Now my second question is, now CAD/CAM software. Now I'm talking. Now we are going from software, means platform to the software. Now in a software, to run a software, there must be some operating module, operating systems. Okay. So this generally you'll find this module provides users with utility and system commands that deal with the accounts and files. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the question may be there in your mind: what is utility and what is system commands? Correct. So we can see at the right side all these commands: info, news, information, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account options, or maybe just I have taken a snap of one software only. It may be many more commands will be there, which will be using. It will be regarding the file. Okay. It will be only regarding the files, not others. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you may be deleting a file, you may be sharing a file, you may be printing a file, you may save file, you may be opening a new file, or any other things regarding the files. So this is called as operating. So this files comes under the utility and system commands, and this actually is a one module called as operating system module, which do all these things. So again you'll find it typical function of such file manipulation: delete, copy, rename, etc. We can do. Managing the directories and subdirectories, text editors, programming account setups are supported by the US. That means you may make a directory. That means if you are making a big modeling, that means assembly you are doing, then assembly again you can put some subfolders called as suppose you are talking about the vehicle, then you may be your transmission system, then another will be gearbox, other will be chassis. Again in gearbox, again you may make another your file. Then you can put your drawings what you have created or models what you have created. You may save in that particular subdirectories. So all these things, that means creating the files, directories, subdirectories, copying, deleting, then sharing, saving, save as, all these options actually it is run by the operating system module. So this was the discussion about first module which is being used by the any modeling software. So I hope you have understood this part. So if you have any such questions, please let me know. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So any questions are there?
No, sir.
No. Have understood what is this operating system module?
Yes, sir. Operating.
Is it okay? So shall we move to the next part?
Yes, sir. Next.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So next module is geometric module. Okay. So geometric module, what you can see on the screen, can you tell me what is that? Yes,
Fan.
fan, correct. It is a fan. Okay. So fan means what? Which is the fan exactly here? Yes, total we'll call it as a fan. Correct. Okay. This part we'll call as a fan. What is these are the? What is this? This part?
Fans
Blades.
blade.
Yes.
Fans blade.
Yes, it is a fan blade. And what is this central cylindrical part? You
Moving
may
shaft.
not, not shaft. It's called the hub now. Okay. So we call it as a hub. These blades are mounted on the hub. Okay. And can you see the this violet color or that hole is shown at the center?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what is it for? Now, on the shaft, rotating shaft will be there, which will be connected to the motor. I will not say motor, I will say prime mover. Prime mover means it may be a motor or it may be anything. We are not interested in. Okay. So, it will be mounted, this hub will be mounted on that rotating shaft. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, you have understood
Yes, sir.
this is called as a hub. Okay, so central hole will be there, on that will be inserted inside the shaft. So this hub will be mounted on the shaft, and these blades are mounted on the hub. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. That's fine. Now, actually, this is modeled in one of the modeling software. Okay, so it is not a photograph or of actual fan or something. This is a model created on one of the software. Okay, it is an image actually, but it is actually an image of a model created in a software. So you should be at the end of your this course, you will be able to model such type of models in the software. So generally, software will be using will be. Can you tell me the name? Which software will be using?
Fusion 360.
Yeah, Fusion 360. I hope many of you have downloaded it. Many students have asked me some questions, difficulties while downloading it, but they were able to do the downloading of that software. So I will urge you people to make sure that you get you'll be able to download it if you have the PC or laptop with us, with you people, because in this pandemic situation, our labs are now closed. We are not able to access the laboratories. Otherwise, you can see all these things would be available. Even the CATIA softwares are also available. There is no change in as such in different softwares. What are the modules are there? Same modules would be there also. Only the GUI, that is graphic user interface, means only the outside world would be different. Inside almost it is the same. Okay, let it be. Now this geometric module is the heart of CAD/CAM system. That means what we are going to create here is a new models, and that will be done in the geometric module. Okay. So what it provides users with the functions to perform geometric modeling. Geometric modeling means,
It should have a specific shape, size, mass.
yeah, that is model. Geometric model means creating it to perform geometric modeling. That means to create a new virtual model in the your software. So you will be using you will be creating this geometric modeling in this geometric module. So we will be using all the commands from the geometric module of the software. Okay. Then what is the next one we can able to do in the geometric module? You can see editing. Editing means editing and manipulation of existing geometry. What does this mean? Can you tell me? Can you imagine or can we?
Some sort of changes in the design we have made previously.
Exactly. That is what actually we are doing, editing and manipulation of existing geometry. So if you come, you have designed a module and then that is design a model and you have sent it for the analysis purpose. Analysis means whether it is correct or not, whether stresses are up to the level or not. All this, okay, that is, you are going to, you will be learning that afterwards. But you feel that you are given to the some other engineer who would be working on that. So he comes and says you, okay, whatever the size you have kept for the suppose this particular fan, we will say model, for the whole what you have said is 20 millimeter or 30 millimeter, it should be I want 35 millimeters. Okay, so what you will do, you don't have to do go back and start from a scratch. You can go just go to the click on the your model that model and you go to that particular diameter, change that value from 30 to 35. You will find your this model will get changed automatically. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So you understood what is the meaning of editing and manipulation. So you can change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, sir.
You can change its dimensions. You can change its shape. Whatever you want afterwards, you are able to draw it. You are able to do the manipulation in the geometry. Okay, that is we can do all these things in a geometric module of a software. Okay, what is the third one? Drafting and documentation. What is drafting? What is drafting here?
Two D models.
Yes.
2D models.
Which models? Sagar,
2D.
which model?
3 models.
2D model. Yes.
2D type.
2D models. Yeah, 2D models means not, you cannot say 2D models actually. You should say 2D drawings. Two-dimensional drawings would be required. So actually, if once a model is created, so some industry directly use the 3D model as an input to their use. Some still requires the drawing. They want a drawing, a 2D drawing as a readers, the users. Okay, they still use a 2D drawing. So that means for a 2D drawing, we call it the drafting. So drafting directly was, now you have this fan model with you. So if top view, front view, side view, everything can be taken, even sectional views can be taken directly. You can get front view, top view, side views, whatsoever you want. Any type of drawing can be directly created with the click of a mouse on a button. Okay, that is a drafting. One question actually I would like to ask you people, what you have studied in this one, graphics you have done?
Yes, sir.
Have you studied the front view, top view, side view, isometric views?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. That means I want you should know what is front view, what is top view, what is side view, what is sectional views, what is isometric views. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, last one is documentation. What is this documentation stands for?
Its dimensions.
No, documentation does not comes in the dimension. Dimension will in drafting only, no? When we have the 2D drawings with us, there are dimensions, geometric dimensions, everything will be actually printed there itself. No need to go for this thing. And what this documentation stands for?
Any analysis proof about that drawing?
Yes.
Sir, any analysis proof about that drawing?
Not analysis. Exactly, actually, this is a single model. Okay. So, which is the material of these? What are its maximum size? What is the minimum size? Number of parts in it? Okay. Now, here actually it is a single part. Now, if it is a gearbox or something or any assembly, then we can, what we have to do, how many nut bolts are there, which are the different parts. We have to see, suppose in this particular assembly there are 12 different parts. Okay, number of bolts required will be this much. What will be its size? Everything details, documentation regarding that would be saved in the documentation.
Provide information.
Yeah, all the information other than the drawing would be written or will be saved as a documentation, or you can save as a documentation in that particular file. Okay, that is called as documentation. I hope you have understood now what is the role of geometric module. So geometric module, it performs geometric modeling. It helps us for editing and manipulation. Then it helps us for drafting as well as for documentation. Okay. Now the second part is the typical graphics operations are model creation, cleanup, and documentation and plotting. I think we are already done with model creation, then documentation and plotting. Now one thing is remaining is cleanup. Correct. Can you see that word cleanup?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what maybe I am not expecting that you people should give me the correct answer or answer, but I am expecting, okay, you should try. I hope that you should think and tell me the answer. Whether it is correct or wrong, that is immaterial. I want how you think, how people you think in this direction.
So while we prepare a model of anything, na sir, sometimes we make some different parts that are not required for that model or for the product. So in cleanup, I think we clean the what are not required. We clean that.
Exactly, that is the answer. Sometimes we do lot of operations. Okay, because that is not our actually aim. For some actually you are not up to the, we have not discussed. Suppose if I think you might have gone the terminology called as Boolean operations in mathematics. Yes, people. Have you heard the word Boolean operations?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll find that using the Boolean operations, actually we require some other objects. For that, we take some two objects and do some manipulations and get the third object out of that. So third object is our intention. The first two object was only used for creating the third object. Okay. So sometimes we don't delete this first two objects because that two objects we don't require actually. We require the third object which comes out of the Boolean operations of first two. So third object is required one and first two are actually we don't require. So sometimes you'll find in a drawing that models we don't delete it sometimes. So that is called as a cleanup. So you delete that unnecessary parts which are there in the model. That is called as cleanup for a simple thing. In simple words, I will say, it is called as cleanup of the modeling. So unwanted parts, unwanted things which are not actually associated with the model is cleaned up or is deleted. That is called as cleanup action in the geometric software. Is it okay?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So shall we move to the next slide? Or any questions regarding this?
No, sir, no question.
Any part you are not understood?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we'll go to the next slide. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
third would be the application module. Now, till now, what we have done in our discussion, that what operating system module we have used. That means how to create a file, how to save the file. That means all the operations regarding the files we have done in the operation module. In second module, we have done with the geometric model. That means we have created a geometric model. That means we can create a geometric model in the geometric module. Okay. Now, third one is the application module. Okay. What is the application module? So, once your geometric model is created, it will be used for the other application. Okay. So, you can see the first line. The creation of geometric model of an object represents a means and not a goal to engineers. So we are not interested to create a geometric model. What is our goal? It is just a representation of something, and our actually ultimate goal is to utilize the model to design in CAD/CAM software or design and manufacturing purposes. That means that model would be used for the other application. So creating a model is not our goal. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So our goal should not be create a model. What to do with the model? It's of no use unless and until it is being used. Okay, it is used for some purpose. So the creation of geometric model of an object represents a means. So it is a means for something. That means it's a representation, not a goal to engineers. It should not be our goal. So ultimate goal is to utilize the model to design CAD/CAM softwares or in design and manufacturing purposes. That means that software should be used, or that model should be used either for the design purpose or for the manufacturing purpose or for the inspection purpose. That means third part, design, manufacturing and inspection. Okay, or for other purposes. So many applications would be there. That is the application module. Now we'll see what are the sub parts of the application, or what are the applications of the module are mass property calculation. What is this mass property calculation? Which are the different mass properties? Hello? Do you know what is mass property?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me, anybody?
How much is the requirement of the product?
No. Requirement is something different. Now what we have done, we have just assumed that we have model something. Just like take the fan only. Okay, you have seen that fan. Consider the fan only. Now, can you tell everything in terms of fan? Mass property calculation of a fan. What does it mean?
Its dimension?
Now, see, mass dimension it will not come in the mass property. Model will give the dimension, volume, everything. Now, mass property, I want very specific answer from this. Yeah, please try. at least. Hello. Mass properties means it will give how much its mass is. Okay, because while creating a model, we assign a material to it. Material means actually we assign a density to it. Once density is assigned to the material, so we have the volume with us already. When model will be created, volume will be there. Density we are assigning to the that model. So indirectly we are fixing its mass. So what will be its weight? That can be known from the model. Okay. Second, what will be its CG? Where would be its CG would be? What will be its inertia? Everything related to the mass, everything can be calculated once you create a model. Okay. Now, second one is assembly analysis. So, in assembly, how many parts are there? How it is being done? What is the tolerance? How it is being actually assembled? Which is the first part to be fixed? Which is the second part? Everything will come in the assembly analysis. Tolerance analysis would be, so tolerance would be actually change in dimension. Allowable variation in the dimension is tolerance. So we have to fix that what should be the tolerance for different models, actually different parts of a model, how it is fixed, all that can be studied in the tolerance analysis. Sheet metal design, that means if same model can be used for the sheet metals. In finite element modeling and analysis, that means for calculation of stress, strain, and all this analysis purpose, we can use these models. Then for mechanism analysis, that means you are running something, that will be moving mechanisms would be there. That mechanisms can be done, mechanism analysis can be done. Animation techniques, so this model can be used in the for the animation, simulation and analysis of plastic injection, and so on. So many applications are there. So for that means once the model is created, so in one word what we can say, once the model is created, it can be used for many more applications. Its use will be multi-purpose use will be there for the of this particular model. Okay, and then if you consider manufacturing application include process planning, that means what are the different processes that for manufacturing of this object or model. Then NC, that is numerical control, or CNC you can say. SIM is computer aided manufacturing, robot simulation, etc. That means in manufacturing also you will find this model would be used. Indirectly, once model is created, it can be used for n purposes. That is what you should know in this application module, because all these applications we are going to study later on. This is just you should know its terminology, what is it mean. I'm not expecting that you people know all these things. Everything you should not know right now. Only you should know what it would be. Details we are going to study in later on. Okay, so this will be for designing purpose. This will be for the manufacturing purpose. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
this
sir.
is called an application module. So we have learned how many modules till now? 3 modules. First was
3 modules.
First was your operating system module. Second one was geometric module, and third now is application module. Okay. Okay, but the problem would be there now. There is a power cut. I am not able to. Will not be able to show you the next part.
Okay, sir.
Just we will wait 1 or 2 minutes. I don't know what is going to happen now. There is a power cut on my PC is now off. You'll find that this recording, whatever the screen you are now able to see, will be off within a few minutes or something. Okay, I hope you understood. Now only two modules were remaining, and then that was actually, and then what was the application of CAD that was actually scheduled today. But now there is a problem. So any questions from this part now, what we have studied so far? So many questions may come in your mind. Yeah, please, now this is the time you can utilize properly to discuss the things.
Sir, NC means?
Yeah, numerical control. Actually, it should be CNC. Initially, it was NC was numerical control machines. So only numbers were used line by line. Now it is computer aided numerical control. Okay, so it becomes CNC machine. So actually, it was the initial part of CNC. Initial stages of CNC machine was NC machines. Now it is now CNC machines, computer aided numerical control.
And CIM, sir?
CIM stands for computer aided integrated manufacturing. So manufacturing which is being used, so it will be computer aided. That means all the operations which are being used for manufacturing of an object, that will be controlled by computers only. That means human intervention will not be required. So you will not see that operator is being used, or operator is used for the manufacturing purposes. The role of operator is to put the raw material inside and take the finished product outside of the CNC machine. The rest of the operations would be done automatically by the machine itself. Okay. So the role of operator is only to put the raw material inside and take out the finished product outside from the CNC machine. So all the operations will be done by the computer itself. So it will be a computer integrated machine manufacturing. So it will not be only related with the single CNC. So it will be related with the multiple CNC, means multiple manufacturing operations. From one machine to it will be taken out on the moving tables. It will go to the next machine. It will be picked up. Again, it will be again next manufacturing process will be done. Again, it will be taken back. Again, it will be transferred to the third machine. So all these various operations will be done in different machines and will be taken care by the all this integration by the computer system. So it is called as computer integrated manufacturing. Understood the concept of SIM?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is not related with a single machine. So single machine, suppose you're talking about CNC machine. So only CNC machine can do restricted operations. So if you want to do the another operations on it, suppose you want to put some coating. So coating, we cannot do it by CNC machine. So what we can do is, we can actually we cannot do the operations of the on the CNC machine. So other softwares actually we are utilizing, other machines we are utilizing. So all these different machines will be integrated, will be actually connected by a single software or single operating system, I will say. That is nothing but the computer integrated manufacturing.